Hey guys, Yang here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing how to cook a delicious and easy one-pot meal, long bean rice with roast pork. The ingredients needed are long beans, pre-rinsed rice, shallots, garlic, pre-rinsed dried shrimps, roast pork, and pre-soaked dried mushrooms. To prepare, chop the garlic and mince it up. Slice the shallots thinly and place them on a plate. Add some salt to the shallots, massage it in and set it aside for 5 to 10 minutes to draw out the moisture. Remember to pat dry the shallots with a kitchen towel before frying to prevent the oil from splattering. Heat up some oil in a heavy bottom pot. Once the oil is hot enough, throw in the shallots to fry them, stirring constantly to prevent it from burning until they turn golden brown. Remove the shallots and any excess oil from the pot. Next, flash fry the long beans and remove them from the pot. This is to prevent the beans from being overcooked. Fry the minced garlic until fragrant and add the roast pork in to render some of the fats out. You may close the lid for about 5 minutes to speed up the process. Once the fat is rendered, add in the dried shrimps and stir fry till fragrant. Then add in the shrimps and stir fry for a bit. Next, add in the rice and mix it in evenly with the pork, shrimp and shrimp mixture. Add in salt, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and stir it in evenly. Add in white pepper to taste. Add half of the dried shallots, leaving the rest for garnish, and add the long beans. Add in water to the rice and cover the pot to let it cook for about another 10 to 15 minutes. Once the rice is almost fully cooked, lift the lid off the pot and mix the rice, scraping from the bottom of the pot upwards to prevent the rice from sticking to the bottom. Cover the pot and cook the rice for another 5 minutes. The rice is now ready to be eaten. As usual, detailed recipe in the description box below. Leave a comment if you have any questions about the recipe or cooking method. Please have to click on the like button and subscribe if you like this video. Your support means so much to me. Remember to click on the notification bell so that you'll be alerted when the next video is up. See you soon and have a great week ahead. Bye bye!